Hey guys, Retro Dog here. Today is a video that you've probably been looking forward to, maybe? I don't know. But it's the Atari 2600 Problems and Resolves video. Anyways, we're going to start off with the problem that will show you what's wrong with the console itself and how it will be resolved in the future. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. Well, as you can see here, the game console actually still works. It's tore apart right now just for testing purposes, but it looks like the game looks pretty good actually. And then when you hit the switch, both people are constantly shooting, and the one guy's actually moving a little bit there. But yeah, the problem is that both of these guys are shooting simultaneously, and it's actually this little chip here. It's an R, I don't know if you can see that, R4 chip. I don't know how to turn the light on or something. There we go. It's that little chip right there, the 4050 chip. And I'm planning on replacing it just to show you what it does. Should fix this problem. Obviously, that's not how the game is supposed to run. We got an Atari right here underneath it. One of those video arcade Sears model consoles. That way I can show you how the game's supposed to run. I gotta get it set up. Good thing I got another copy of this combat game. I'll just plug that in. There. Yeah. Maybe plug it in the right spot would be better. Okay. And yeah, I gotta do this. Hold on. Very unprofessional video, I know. That's okay, I'm just an amateur at this stuff anyways. I'm just showing you what the problem and the solution is for anybody who's wondering how to fix joystick problems. And it doesn't have to be that exact problem. It could just be one of the joysticks shooting all the time without any joysticks plugged in at all. I've also did some re-soldering of these cable things, the capacitors in here. I redid those so they can change everything. It's kind of a mess, honestly. I still have to redo some of this stuff, but this right here, this little chip, is mainly the problem on most cases. Sometimes you get one of these capacitors that blows out, but you could just check it with a multimeter and see if it's bad. In my case, yeah, it's this chip. I don't have one yet. I have it ordered up, and I will get back to the fixing video when I get it done. But right now, we'll show you what the game's supposed to look like. Hold on, the color's bad on this one. I think it's just the game cartridge, but yeah, it's not supposed to be shooting when you start. And as you can tell, the color's not good on this game. I think it's just the cartridge itself, though. Because I'll put this one in. And look, it's perfect. So yeah, this one definitely has a problem with that chip. And to show you it actually does work, I got a joystick here. Might help if I can actually use my controller. See? Works perfectly. Well, there you have it. It works. I swapped out that chip and everything is working okay. I don't got a second controller in there, but I presume it works okay too. So, yeah. When I was doing that, I actually ended up frying the CPU. And one way to tell if you have that bad is when you turn it on, the light's black. The screen's black with a blue line on the side. So I ended up ordering one of those, and it's yeah, everything works good now. I got the cat here playing with the TV. But yeah, that was the problem. Games work great. So thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, and subscribe.